Okay, I'm Mason and we're back here with the CPU. Take it out of the box. Okay, I'm Mason and we're back here with the CPU. Take it out of the box. It's got the fan in there. Take that out. You push this little tab in. Then I'll flip down, drop the CPU out. Then over here, I'm going to push this metal lever to the side and flop that out. And then open the little plastic container, pull out the CPU. You don't want to try and touch those connectors. And turn it over. It's this gold arrow right at that corner. And then on the motherboard there's a white dot right there. And those two will match up. Match up. And that'll close this. Then as you're closing it, a little plastic piece right there should pop off. Okay, so we're going to be putting the CPU fan on. First you're going to need some thermal paste. And then I'm just going to put dot. That again up. Okay. We'll put the fan. Use 4 holes. Make sure it gets down there. And then twist these to the side. There. Connecting the CPU fan to the motherboard right at this connector. Probably can't see it, but it says CPU fan right beside it. And you just plug it in, it fits one way.